Now, let us proceed our main discussion about Asian regionalism. But before that, let me ask you, what is Asian regionalism? Asian regionalism? What? Asian regionalism is a product of economic interaction that focuses on exporting products to developed country markets. As a result, Asian economy successfully grows faster and more affluent. Asia Regional Integration Center argues that Asian regionalism could bring considerable benefits to Asia and the whole world. Further, it helps to sustain regional growth and underpins with the right policies to scale back inequalities. There are two examples pertaining in Asian regionalism. First, we have Asian-Europe Meeting. Wikipedia further asserts that Asian-Europe Meeting is an Asian political dialogue forum that enhances relations with various sorts of cooperation between its partners like Australia, Austria, Bangladesh, France, and many more. Along the way, Asian-Pacific Economic Cooperation is an example of Asian regionalism. APEC, or Asian-Pacific Economic Cooperation, was concerned with free trade through the Pacific regions. Some scholars argue that it is an intergovernmental forum for 21 countries. Those members in Asian-Pacific Economic Cooperation are Philippines, Thailand, China, Hong Kong, and many more. Actually, the main focus of Asian regionalism is to sustain our economic stability and of course, the global relationship. Afterwards, we will determine the different risks and of course, the different benefits of Asian regionalism.